Hi everybody and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial where we'll design a beautiful homepage on WordPress. By the end of this video, you'll have a modern, professional, and mobile-friendly homepage that makes your website stand out. Before we start, let me mention that we've placed a link in the description where you can try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price. Divi is one of the most powerful WordPress themes and AI website builders, and it makes designing a homepage simple, even if you're a complete beginner. To follow along, you'll need WordPress installed on your domain. If you don't have hosting yet, choose a provider like SiteGround, Bluehost, or Hostinger, since they offer one-click WordPress installation. Once you log into your WordPress dashboard by visiting, you're ready to begin. The first step is to install the Divi theme. You'll need an Elegant Themes account to download it, and the link in the description gives you access to Divi at a great price. After logging into your Elegant Themes account, download the Divi theme zip file. Then, from your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, click on Themes, and then Add New. Upload the Divi zip file and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, activate the theme. Now Divi is active on your site and we can move on to designing the homepage. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, click Add New, and title the page Home. On the right-hand side under Template, choose Blank Page so Divi can take full control of the layout. Publish the page. Next, go to Settings, then Reading, and under Homepage Displays, select a static page. Set the homepage to Home and save your changes. Now let's edit the page with Divi. Go back to Pages, hover over Home, and click Edit. On the editor screen, click the purple Use Divi Builder button. You'll see three options. Build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or use AI to generate one instantly. Divi now includes AI-powered layouts, so you can either browse hundreds of ready-made homepage designs or let Divi AI create a layout for you based on simple prompts. For this tutorial, let's choose Browse Layouts. In the Layout library, you'll find a huge collection of professionally designed layout packs. Use the search bar to look for homepage templates that fit your website style, whether it's business, portfolio, personal brand, or blog. Click on a layout pack to preview it, then click Use this layout to load it onto your homepage. Once the layout loads, you can customize everything. Click on Text to edit it. For example, replace the default headline with your own. If you're not sure what to write, you can use Divi AI to generate professional text that fits your website. Click the green checkmark to save your changes. To replace images, click the Image Module settings and upload your own file, or even generate new visuals with Divi's AI image tools. Divi works in sections, rows, and modules. Sections are large areas of the page. Rows divide them into columns, and modules hold the actual content like text, images, buttons, or sliders. To edit a module, click the gear icon, adjust the content, and use the Design tab to customize colors, fonts, spacing, and animations. For example, you can edit the Hero section at the top of your homepage by changing the background image, updating the heading, and adding a call to action button that links to your portfolio, shop, or blog. Scroll down and edit other sections like About, Services, or Testimonials to fit your content. If you want to add a new section, click the plus icon at the bottom of the page. You can add a blank section or use Divi AI to generate one instantly. For example, you could generate a features section with 3 columns, icons, and text in just a few clicks. Once you're happy with the content, you can adjust the global design. Go to Divi, then Theme Customizer. Here you can set your site-wide fonts, colors, and header styles. Divi also has a global colors feature, so you can choose your brand colors once and apply them across your entire homepage with consistency. Before finalizing, check your homepage on mobile. In the Divi Builder, click the device icon to preview the layout on tablet and phone. Adjust font sizes, spacing, or image alignment to make sure everything looks perfect on smaller screens. When everything is ready, click Save in the bottom right corner. Exit the builder and your homepage is now live. Congratulations! You've designed a beautiful homepage on WordPress using the easiest method in 2025 with the Divi theme. Divi's pre-made layouts, drag-and-drop builder, and AI-powered tools make it possible to create professional designs in just a fraction of the time. If you haven't already, use the link in the description to try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price.